About to leave right now. Alright, 7. About to go right now. 8, sit. I'm on my way to go pick up my car right now. You know what I'm saying? Make a quick stop. Been waiting a long time for this damn car. Shit crazy. What the fuck this shit? You got a whole mop in the back and shit. What the fuck going on? I'm happy as fuck right now. Ready to go see this thing. I got some parts at the house that I gotta put on the car. But I ain't bring with me. I ain't feel like bringing with me. I feel like it's gonna be too much. I just wanna see my damn car ready, get that shit running, drive, and you know what I'm saying, take it back to the crib or whatever, you know what I'm saying, do what I gotta do. Yeah, but I'm just really trying to see this shit. You gotta check out, you know what I'm saying, you got people coming and shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all some little cinematic scenes, you know what I'm saying, on the way. Then when we there, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see when we there, man. We this close to seeing the car, man. We right outside the shop. I'm gonna show y'all right now.
12 seconds later.
Come to find out, I can't even get my fucking car.
You serious?
I pulled up on a car. You gotta adjust like the fenders and shit like that, cause like all that shit. I don't know if y'all could tell, but at this moment I was mad as fuck. So I came to my car thinking my car is fucking fully done. You know what I'm saying? That I ain't gonna have no problems with it, nothing. Like it's like the engine's good. I don't have no problems with the engine. I'm thinking like the bodywork of the car is gonna be fully done. So I'm pulling up to the car. I'm like, yo, kid, I see the front of my car just looking like some bullshit, you feel me? Like, yo, my hood was fucking going more to another side and it was not even leveled up with the fucking fender and the bumper and shit. And then my fucking grill on my bumper is going over my lights. I'm like, what the fuck going on right here? Like, yo, kid, the bodywork in the front is fucking trash. I'm like, yo, kid, I'm not taking the car if it's looking like that. I'm like, yo, y'all fix that shit. They told me I gotta wait another week so I could go see my car. Then while they was doing it, I was like, y'all might as well just change my brakes and my rotors, you feel me? At this point, bro, I've been waiting so damn long for the car, but that shit been annoying as hell, bro. No cap, bro. Like
1 week later.
Paga bulo, não?
she just gave it up.
The next day.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Almighty Ken. Back with another video, man. Today I'm dropping another banger for y'all. You know what I'm saying? If I sound a little quiet, you know what I'm saying? It's in the morning. I don't really want to be too loud. But as you can see in the title, y'all already know what's going on, man. I finally just got it. Just know, throughout this journey, man, it's gonna be heavily lit. I got a lot of stuff coming for the car, man. It's been like 2 months. I finally got it in my hands, you know what I'm saying? I finally got it in my hands. Yeah, but I'm gonna go outside and show y'all. I see a lot of new people commenting on the video. You know what I'm saying? Cause the views start picking up. You know what I'm saying? The video's at 200, now it's at 1K. It's at 1K now. You know what I'm saying? I'm outside right now, but I'm gonna show y'all the car right now. Back of the car. You know what I'm saying? Here's my cup on the back of it. And I will do a cold start. Got the Hellcat replica rims on it. I got a lot of flaws with the car right now, but all you need to know is the engine is straight. So if the engine is straight, the car is good. You already know what it is. If your engine is straight in your car, bro, your car is good. You know what I'm saying? Anything else, that should get fixed easily. Dodge Charger RT 2018. One thing is the back of my shit. I got a little flaw right here. I got a little crack, but these ain't nothing major. I'm gonna show y'all everything I got for the car as of right now. But first, let me show y'all this cold start. That's the cold start for you. First things first, I already know for a fact I'm about to get these mufflers cut because I feel like it's loud, but I don't feel like it's loud enough. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I am gonna put the SRT spoiler on my car. The spoiler is right here. The spoiler is right here. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what color should I get a spoiler, because right now the spoiler is the exact same color as my car. I want it to be matte black and put the I forgot what it's called, but the little extension that goes with the shit right here, y'all know what it's called. I'll probably say it later in the video because right now I can't remember it. I forgot what it's called though. I was gonna put the little extension with it. That's why I bought the SRC spoiler, and I'm not staying with the stock because it's like a little two-piece and I ain't fucking with that. Right now it's early in the morning right now. I already know once I get these mufflers cut and all that shit, bro. Yeah, it just gonna be annoying as fuck for my peoples, for the neighbors around and shit. That shit just funny. Grits. Hop in the car. Oh. Turn the AC on because this shit hot as fuck. As of right now, my tires are good, but the pressure system, I don't know if it's connected or not. I don't think they got the sensors in the wheels. That's one thing I need to get fixed. You can tell if you got a fucked up tire or not, so that's not really no big deal. If y'all watched the first video, my engine's completely fixed now. If y'all watched the first video, bro, yo, okay, my engine was doing all type of fucked up ass noises. Yo, y'all saw that shit? I'll probably do a replay clip. It already starts up. But yeah, all that shit is gone, that shit is fixed, you know what I'm saying? Only got 35 miles. So far, I probably put like, how much was it? So far, I probably did, so far as I got the car, I only put like 10 miles on it, I ain't got it. Cause I was just driving it, I just drove it back to the house after I just got out the shop. You know what I'm saying? So how many miles it got? It was at like 35,111. So that's where it was. Yeah, got the Apple CarPlay right here, man. But shit so goated, bro. You know what I'm saying? I will try to get some clips of driving it, bro. Right now, you know what I'm saying? My driveways, you know what I'm saying? I got something like blocking me. I don't even got no plate in my car, bro. So I don't think I'm ready for a dude driving until I get a plate. Like a little paper tag or some shit. It's the front of the car. Look, from far away it might seem straight, but it's not really straight. See, look, All I need to do is do body work in the front. The body man that was doing my whip in the beginning when I was putting all the parts on, supposedly it was done, but I'm like, yo, look at this shit. This is a weak ass job right here. Look, my grill is going a little bit over my light. It's supposed to be inside of this shit. Look at this shit, like all this dumb shit. And I got gaps and all type of shit. Let me show you the problems. I got a gap right here, gaps, and then I got a little fucking, this shit not even leveled right. If you see what I'm talking about, it's curving a little bit, it's curving in. You see this? My fucking hood is curving in and shit. Oh my God, bro, I'm just taking it to a new person because I don't got no time, bro. I'm trying to upload videos and actually have my car in hand, because the amount of time that, you know what I'm saying, y'all been saying like, oh, where's the car, where's the car? You know what I'm saying? I've been saying that shit my damn self. Oh, I just popped my hood. I'm gonna show you my hood right now. Under the hood, the engine bay got clean. When I first seen it, that shit was dirty as fuck, but everything clean. You know what I'm saying? Got the V8. But I'm telling you, this car nice as fuck, bro. All I gotta do is just fix the body work in the front. Also got Hemi. I'm gonna show y'all the trunk right now. Where the trunk at? Trunk. They don't like that shit. I don't know why that shit don't work. I gotta press the button. That should never work. I don't know what the fuck going on with that. But also, all the little vents and shit, I got it. You know what I'm saying? It's in the car ready to go. Also, oh, I forgot. I also got the fucking, the tints. I also got the tints for the lights, the tail lights. I'm gonna put those on right now, so I might record that. I'm gonna give y'all some revs right now so y'all can hear it. It's already hot outside. It's like fucking 8 in the morning or some shit like that. I already know once I get these mufflers, the leaded and the resonators, because I'm taking both of them straight off, no matter what. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, niggas gonna fucking hate me. I ain't gonna lie. Niggas in the neighborhood gonna really hate me. The tail light tints. I'm gonna put them on right now. I had this shit for 2 months. Alright, before I do this, you know what I'm saying, they said I gotta find some alcohol so I can make sure if I clean the lights. I'm gonna go do that right now. Let me get that ready. All right, guys, I just finished it. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Look at that. It's already looking better. Sheesh. That shit looking right. God damn. Shit already looking hard. Man, this shit is crispy. Next, you just gotta debadge the Dodge, but I ain't finna debadge the Dodge right now. I'm finna do that way later. That's basically it with my car right now. I'm gonna turn on the car so y'all can see it. Woo! That shit loud. Man, that shit is hard as fuck. Well, yeah, man, that's basically it with the video right now. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of stuff to do with the charger, man. And this is one of the first things I did. Blacked out the tail lights. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got a spoiler, mufflers, and put my tips on. I gotta do a lot of stuff, man. All that is coming soon, bro. And many more. So y'all, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button so I'll post notifications every time I drop a video. I'm probably dropping a lot of these videos back to back, so y'all stay tuned for it. But yeah, but like up the video, man. It's your boy Mike Ken, man, and I'm out, y'all. Peace. See y'all in the next video.